Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to show you how I do the orange side of my hair. I'm going to show you what products I use and how I do it. So I'm going to get changed and let's get started. When I dye my hair orange, I use Directions. This colour is Mandarin and it costs me about $5.99 a tub. And I buy two just in case I need an extra tub each time. And for my black, I use Garnier. I haven't got it with me, so there it is on the screen. And I normally only use about half of that as well. This side of my hair is really thin. Like, I have thick hair, but this is like nice and light, no problems. This is just thick mane, I call it. And that is from the bleach. And I haven't bleached my lengths in quite a while now, a good few months. And I don't know if you can see, but like the colouring is so bright and then it's just dies. And that's because it was black and this part of my hair was black longer than the newer part of my hair. So if you do consider bleaching, I highly recommend not doing it in the space of 2 days from black to green or whatever colour you decide to go. When I come to washing my hair, I use the Directions Colour Protector Conditioner. And I think this cost me $6.99. And I use the Directions Colour Protecting Shampoo. I've only used this a handful of times lately. Normally I would just use a normal shampoo and conditioner, but I started to notice that my colour was fading a lot quicker, and I didn't know that there was products in shampoo that can strip the colour out of your hair. For the root area, I use a brush. This is the Directions one. It cost me 99p. They're very, very handy when you're doing the split. Obviously, I'm not bleaching my hair. I'm just touching up the colour at the moment. So I'm going to use this just, even though I'll probably get it on the black side anyway, but it doesn't matter because it's not going to touch this. Also, if you are thinking of using Directions or you have used Directions, I highly recommend you don't go swimming. That is what I did, and I went and hair dried my hair after the pool and it went like a yellowy, brassy green tone. It was disgusting, and I threw some hair dye over it as soon as I got home. It kind of worked, but this is the end result after about 2 weeks. So I'm going to touch it up. So let's start dyeing my hair, and fingers crossed it's going to get rid of this brassy mess. And now all I'm doing is splitting it as best I can without getting too much black on this side. Doesn't need to be perfect. And then I will split my fringe as best I can. But once again, the black is not going to change colour, as I learned the hard way when I tried putting green over it. I never used to use semi-permanent colours, so... Right, so that is basically split. That's okay, okay. Ugh, the colours. That'll do, donkey. Right. So, let's open one of these up. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm so weak. I've got new nails on and I can't open anything. Go. do this. Don't break your teeth. Jesus. Ooh. Such a pretty colour. Why isn't it my hair that colour? Right. Gloves. Don't hate me on how I dye my hair, okay? I'm sure there's messier people out there. Right, so it is the consistent Sue is weird, like it's like conditioner. I generally do my fringe first, but I think I'm gonna start underneath. I don't do all of this parting, I kind of just slap it on, or my friend helps me. So get a friend that helps you dye your hair. They're great people. The top of my hair isn't that bad, to be honest. Oh, look at them roots. I need to do them sooner rather than later. So yeah, don't worry about getting it anywhere on the black or your roots, because it's not going to do anything. That lasted long. Such a mean colour. It really is. I only really use the brush to try and brush it in. That's literally it. Yeah, if you've done your hair orange, let me know in the comments like what hair dyes you use. And remember, avoid swimming with semi-permanent bright hair. Why do I do that to myself? Like, God damn it! Looks brown, doesn't it? Always does that. Right. I am out. So, get a nice massage. Adam, I'm turning yellow. Right, so now I'm just going to clip it in place and hope that it doesn't fall. So I have clipped it up and I'm now going to leave it for about half an hour, and then I'm going to wash it out with cold/lukewarm water, because apparently cold water helps close your hair follicles and lock in that colour. I think it's follicles or cuticles. So yes, I will be back with you in half an hour. So this is my hair after half an hour, and it definitely looks better than what it did. And I left the shampoo on for about 5 minutes, and then I left the conditioner on for about 5 minutes too. And I've just hair dried it. So yeah, that is how I dye my orange hair. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you are new here, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.